Hi, I'm Sahar. Today I'm here at Anew's clinic for launching Anew's product. After Anew's Asta pill is the big thing that comes in small packages. One pill gives me a burst of energy and also boosts my immune system to keep me healthy and energetic. Anew's Gluta provides all-around positivity. After using it, I have been sleeping better, I have been more stress-free, and I can actually feel my body going through its processes much more smoothly. All in all, I'm happy Gluta user. Simi. The Simi is truly a bone from Anew. It takes care of my vitamin C requirements along with calcium and zinc supplements and also provides a boost to my immune system among many other benefits. Herbal hand sanitizer, gentle on hands and tough on germs. Anew's herbal hand sanitizer is completely eco-friendly and has no side effect.